Reading comprehension. Read and answer the questions.
My name is Jane. I'm a student. I'm studying in Standard 1. In school, I enjoy learning maths and art. In my free time, I play basketball with my friends. I like to eat chicken. Usually my mom will cook chicken for me on Fridays. On Fridays, we like to watch movies at night. I like Saturday the most because I have violin class on that day. I like playing violin.
Which day Jane liked the most? Saturday. Who will cook chicken for Jane every Fridays? Her mom. Did Jane watch movie on Friday's night? Yes. Which game Jane liked to play with her friends? A. Football. B. Basketball. C. Badminton. B. Basketball.
My dance class. My name is Ivy. Today, I have dance class. My teacher's name is Miss Amanda. My friend Tina and Sam also same class with me. We are preparing dance practice for school function. We have our dance class twice in a week.
What is the name of the dance teacher? Ms. Amanda. Ivy and her friend doing dance practice for which event? For school function. Who is Tina and Sam? Ivy's friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.